Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tatum. Happy birthday to you. Good morning, birthday girl. They all came in to say good morning to you. Because it's your birthday. Yay! Say happy birthday. Huh? Yeah, Barney went night-night on the floor. Happy birthday! Yeah. Tatum, can you say happy birthday? You don't want to? Okay.